So guys, try natin mag ML ngayong araw. Wait lang guys ha. Oopsie. ML tayo guys.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
I'd like to see this true.
Sana naman guys maging MVP tayo dito ngayon guys, no? Kaya maging ano lang guys, maging ano ba yung ranking na tayo guys, kahit yung maging silver lang ba, yung maging gold lang ba guys, kahit di ba, kahit hindi lang MVP, basta gold, pwede na yun guys. Sana naman maging ano tayo dito guys, maging MVP. Sana naman na maging kalaban namin mahina yung maging mapiling karakter. At ito gagamitin ko guys si Dairot. Yan si Dairot. Lock na natin, lock. Ayan. Ito guys ang mga skin niya guys, si ayan. Yan ang skin niya. Tapos ito pa guys. Ganda guys oh. Ito pa isa.
I do what I want to do.
Oh, kasi guys, tigo. Yan guys, ito pa isa.
This will sting.
Ito, pinaka-astig niya effects guys oh. May dragon, may ano pa. May dragon pa.
The Kikyo flower.
Ito pa guys.
The hellfire.
Hindi na mapapakita itong isa guys. Wala nang oras eh. At guys, magkakaintindihan tayo dito guys. I mean, magkakaintindihan pala kami ng mga kakampi ko. Lahat kami taga Philippines. Kalaban namin guys, puro taga ibang bansa. Sila hindi magkakaintindihan. Dito tayo guys sa taas.
Initiate retreat!
Takbo agad siya oh.
Let me take you to another world.
Request back,
Bakap
okay!
tayo guys, baka biglang dumami kalaban eh. Antan nyo guys, ang dami oh. Takbo guys. Ay putek guys. Ayaw maglakad guys.
Orc.
Namatay tuloy.
An enemy has been slain!
Patay tuloy guys. Guys ko, sino yun? Dapat papitaw siya guys.
An enemy has been slain!
Kami tayo Evictus guys, Evictus. Ayan guys, Evictus. Ang sa Encantadia Chronicle Sangre. Nanonood ba kayo nun guys?
Unstable network.
Comment nyo guys kapag nanonood kayo.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything.
Tapos comment nyo guys kung sino paborito nyong karakter sa Encantadia. Chronicle Sangre. Hindi tayo makapatay guys. Ang lupit.
We're behind and low. Good game.
Should have let Famas teach you how to fight.
Makakapit tower kasi sila guys eh. Kaya di tayo makapatay-patay eh. Makakapit sa tower eh.
Ally has been slain.
Ayun o guys, makakapit tower si ano. Yung may skin na Laylo. Labas.
Slain.
I will do anything
An
for
enemy
the
has been
abyss.
slain.
Evictus guys. Evictus. Back to base.
For you.
An enemy has
Why
been
don't
slain.
you just surrender?
Killing spree.
Nakapatay si Layla.
Request
Ang
backup.
kampi namin guys, nakapatay. Labas! Kapitore oh. Ay walang kapitore kung sino man yan oh. Kapitore.
Ally has been
Tanga. Buang.
Ally has been unstable network.
Who would recognize
Request
someone
backup.
as
Launch attack. Ally has been slain. Enemy has slain the turtle. Understood.
Gago ko. Kita. Ano naman guys oh. Patay si Layla.
should have let Famas teach you how to fight.
Ayan guys. Gaganti na tayo guys. San kayo? Mabuisit kayo.
For you.
Ito muna mamanyos muna na natin guys.
Surrender.
Commentin nyo sino mga paborito nyo karakter dito sa ML ha.
An enemy has been slain.
Who would recognize
Sino malakas sa ML.
They'll be shot in an instant.
Patay tayo guys. Patay guys. Patay. Hindi tayo nakaganti guys. Nasa tower sila, makakapit tower kasi guys eh. Patay ka sa akin mamaya. Hanggang tatlo ka lang.
I will do anything for the abyss.
Initiate retreat.
Anything.
Understood. An
My
enemy
turn now.
ally has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
Yeah, you're right.
An enemy has been slain.
Evictus.
The abyss is
Come
home to me.
been slain. Ally has been slain. Triple kill.
Or,
Ano naman, didilit ka.
or,
Our turret is under attack.
Patayin mo na! Sakay o ba't
Killing spree.
tatakas ka pa ah.
Your team destroyed a turret. Shut
Team the
down.
choice the terrorist. Lakas ah.
Mega kill.
I will do
Matik niya to
anything
guys.
for the
Chocolate,
abyss.
chocolate
Has
lang
been
to guys.
destroyed.
Ang dami ng pipe, patay. Dami ko ng dead oh.
Slain.
5 deads na oh. Zero kills pa lang.
Unstoppable. Our turret is under attack. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Triple kill. That was amazing.
Nasa tore.
Should have
Labas.
let Famas teach you how to fight.
An enemy has been slain. Kill. Your team destroyed the turret. Unstoppable. Double kill.
Your strategies are pitiful.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Double kill. Triple kill.
Trip par.
Attack the Lord.
Trip guys.
Shut down. Godlike.
Hindi tayo makabawi eh.
Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has slain
The world.
Launch attack.
Dito tayo
Okay.
sa gitna guys.
Shut down.
May kakampi guys. Mga nakaabang oh.
Okay.
Ang lulupit nyo. Buhay ka pa. Alin na kayo.
An enemy has
Okay, tala agad yung ano, Lord.
The abyss is home to me.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Dami guys.
Or.
Team, destroy the turret. Shut down. Enemy rampage. Shut down. Double kill. Triple kill. That was amazing. Launch attack. Okay. Launch attack. Okay.
Yamas teach you
How to fight.
Mega kill. Your team destroyed a turret.
Aray ko. Aray ko. Talo guys. Laging patay oh. Hindi nakabawi. Sana hindi naaabot to. Wala pa parang bawas yung tore ng kalaban namin.
Slain.
Wala pa mawas yung tore ng kalaban namin guys.
Let me take you to another world.
Kaya medyo mahaba-haba to.
An enemy has been
Baka
slain.
makabawi tayo.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything.
Ano mo kung papasok? Huwag kang papasok.
Killing spree.
Pameri sila ila.
Monster kill. Double kill.
Ang TV nito, nasa ano pa, nasa tore pa oh. Ay,
Legendary. Great play.
patay ka. Patay ka.
Kill. Wiped out.
Patay lahat oh.
Poor you. Why don't you just...
An ally has slain Lord. Legendary. Wiped out.
Panalo na agad. Hindi tayo nakabawi guys.
Talo.
Abangan ninyo yung susunod kong ipapost.
Sorry.
Babawi tayo guys, babawi. Babawi tayo guys, babawi. Baka chocolate lang to guys. Matik to chocolate.
We've been working on this for a while.
Sabi sa inyo guys, chocolate eh.
Talo. Sorry.
Walang MVP guys. Kaya sa yun lang. Ayun, sa kalaban may MVP, ang yayabang. Ang yayabang ng mga kalaban. Dito tayo guys. Sabangan ninyo yung susunod kong ano,